Hello and welcome to BroHenz TV channel, and you're watching Daily THREEP. Today is June 11, 2021. We are celebrating the solemnity of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Kapag sinabi pong solemnity, it is the highest rank of feast to be celebrated by the Catholic Christians. Sa Gospel po natin ngayon, sa John chapter 19, verse 31 to 37, makikita po natin yung striking point po dito ay yung verse 34, kung saan siya po ay tinusok ng spear sa kanya pong tagiliran at humagos yung tubig at dugo ng sabay. In the solemnity of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, we celebrate the love of Christ or the love of God, and at the same time, we commemorate His suffering for us to have deeper understanding of that love. Jesus wanted us to be in union with His heart because, one, He knows that our hearts is broken. Especially ngayon pong pandemya, marami po sa atin ang na-broken-hearted sa mga nangyayari. May mga kaibigan tayo last year na hindi natin makakasama ngayon. At may mga taong napaka-special sa atin na hindi na natin makakadaupang palad. At marami ding mga negosyo ang nawasak, sira, hindi na makapagtrabaho. Pero ganun pa man, anong man ang pinagdadaanan natin, anong mang nangyayari sa kalooban po natin, sa loob ng ating pong mga puso, alam ng Panginoong Jesus yung ating pong nararamdaman. Anumang mga pagsubok ang ating pong pinagdadaanan, He knows that we are all broken and He wanted us to be whole again. Pangalawa, He knows that our hearts are weak. Minsan, bumibigay tayo sa kasalanan. Minsan ay hindi tayo makapag-desisyon ng tama dahil tayo po'y napakamahina. Pero may pangako ang Diyos sa atin. Sabi ng Panginoon kay Apostol Pablo, kapag tayo po'y mahina, kung nagmamanifest ang kanyang kalakasan, ang kanyang kapangyarihan, kailangan lamang po natin na maging isa sa kanyang pong puso. Pangatlo, He knows that our hearts are lost. Naliligaw tayo minsan, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta. Pero God set a place for us to go. Kapag tayo po ay naliligaw, nalilito, nagugulumihanan, walang iba kundi doon sa kanya pong presensya sa loob ng kanya pong puso. Sa kanyang puso mismo. He wants us to be home again. To be home in His heart. The Sacred Heart of Jesus is more than just a symbol. It is the union point of His divinity and His humanity. It is also the union point of Him and His beloved, and that's you and me. Let us ask the Lord for us to have a heart transplant na mapalitan yung ating pong pusong bato, pusong mamon, pusong sibuyas, at kung ano-ano pa. Mapalitan ito lang kanyang pong banal na puso upang itong pusong ito ay ma-extend po natin sa mga taong broken, sa mga taong weakened, at sa mga taong lost. Tayo po'y maging extension ng kanya pong pagmamahal sa iba. Nawa po ang pagninilay na ito ay huwag lamang po ngayong month of June, but for the rest of our lives. Amen.
O most holy heart of Jesus, fountain of every blessing, I adore you, I love you, and with lively sorrow for my sins, I offer you this poor heart of mine. Make me humble, patient, pure, and wholly obedient to your will. Grant, good Jesus, that I may live in you and for you. Protect me in the midst of danger. Comfort me in my afflictions. Give me health of body, assistance in my temporal needs, your blessing on all that I do, and the grace of a holy death. Amen.